Okay. Preparation of an aqueous solution.
Preparation of aqueous solutions. Preparation of a solution using a solid solute.
Okay, this is the first experiment, preparation of a solution from a solid solute. We have a bottle here that contains a solid solute called iron 2 sulfate heptahydrate.
The solid used in this preparation is iron 2 sulfate heptahydrate. Its molar mass is 278.01 grams per mole. This is a calculation done to prepare 100 milliliters of an aqueous solution of the solute.
Here we have to prepare 100 milliliter of this iron 2 sulfate solution of concentration 0.1. First, we have to make calculation or perform calculation. We find the number of moles needed. We multiply C times V, 0.1 concentration times 0.1 liter. We change the milliliter into a liter. We get 0.01 mole. Then we find the mass needed. We multiply number of moles times the molar mass. We get 0.01 times 278. We get 2.78. We have to weigh 2.78. Continue.
Of concentration 0.1 moles per liter. Using a sensitive balance, weigh 2.78 grams of this green-colored solute.
Okay, you have to observe here now the balance. We have a balance. We have a watch glass, a small watch glass, a spatula. Okay, these are the materials required. The words that he says now, the same as the procedure we write before.
Introduce the weighed solute into a 100 milliliters volumetric flask. Rinse the watch glass and the funnel to recover the entire weighed quantity.
Okay. Is the video clear, Noah?
Yes, Ustaz.
Okay.
Agitate the flask to allow the solid to be dissolved completely.
Here he have filled the flask with water.
Add water and agitate the flask again to make sure the entire solid is dissolved. Add water to the mug using a distilled water bottle. Then a dropper.
Dropper, we did not introduce it in the procedure. Okay, it's not necessary, but to be more precise and to reach line mark accurately, you have to use this dropper, drop by drop.
Cover the flask and shake it several times to homogenize the prepared solution.
Okay. Now, after this experiment, we can read the procedure to remember the steps that he followed here. Then,
Preparation of a solution using a solution of known concentration. Purpose of this preparation: to dilute the previously prepared iron 2 sulfate solution to the 10th. This is a calculation of the dilution factor that allows us to.
Okay, dilution means number of mole of solute remains constant, or C initial, okay, times V initial that you have to take must be equal to C final and volume to prepare. Volume to prepare is equal to volume of volumetric flask. Volume to take is equal to volumetric or graduated pipe. Okay, F is called the dilution factor.
Choose the proper glassware to run a dilution of the solution. In our case, the available glassware is a 10 milliliter volumetric pipette and a 100 milliliter volumetric flask. Therefore, pour a sample
Of course, we can perform a calculation here. If we have 100 milliliter solution to prepare 100 milliliter by dilution 10 times, by dilution factor 10 times, then the volumetric pipette that must be chosen must be equal to 10 milliliter. Later on, we perform the calculation in our exercises.
the solution to be diluted into a beaker.
Now, maybe this step using a beaker to pour some of the original solution is not necessary in our procedure. We can take directly from the mother solution from here. But he has taken some the original solution, a volume from the original solution, and put it in the beaker to withdraw from it.
Using a volumetric pipette, take a volume of 10 milliliters.
This is volumetric pipette, and this red piece is called volumetric pipette filler. Sorry, pipette filler.
Pour this volume into the volumetric flask.
He poured this volume into the volumetric flask of 100 milliliter capacity.
Add distilled water to fill 1/2 of the flask. Agitate the flask. Then add water until the line mark. Cover the flask and shake it several times to homogenize the obtained solution.
Okay.
Ustaz?
Okay. The net is off. I will continue. Hey, now.
Okay.
Okay. Do you see now?
Yes.
Than the initial solution.
Observe here, this is the original solution that is prepared from the solid solute, and this is the other one that is prepared from the this solution, from the concentrated one. This is prepared by dilution. This one, the more the darker color, okay, is prepared from this solid solute. Here it's prepared from this solution by dilution. For that, it is lighter in color. Okay. Observe this mark, this line mark.
Note that the prepared solution has a lighter color.
أستاذ أستاذ
Yes, I'm listening to. Okay, I'm sorry, internet is very bad.
It's okay.
Okay, let us continue. Okay. Did you see this line mark on the flask? This is line.
Yes.
The water must be tangent to this line mark. The many sacks of water must be tangent. Okay. These are the videos that you have to observe, to watch. Let us solve some exercises now. Top share, another share. Before start solving exercises, let us read again the procedure. These are the materials used in the first preparation: sensitive balance, volumetric flask, spatula, funnel, and watch glass. Here, use a spatula and a sensitive balance to weigh 12.5 gram on a watch glass. Introduce this mass to 100 milliliter volumetric flask through a funnel. Rinse watch glass and the funnel with distilled water and half fill the volumetric flask. Shake the volumetric flask till dissolving the solid completely. When the solid dissolves completely, continue adding distilled water reaching the line mark. Close or stopper the volumetric flask and shake it upside down to homogenize the prepared solution. This experiment or these experiments are done.
أستاذ عم بيقطش صوتك.
Okay, I am recording